Welcome to Curries to Cakes. Today let's make this mango mutton curry in a pressure cooker. But before that, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon beside so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In a pressure cooker, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of Shahi Jeera and 3 to 4 cloves. Saute for a minute and when it starts to sputter, add the onions. Onions are diced, 3 medium-sized onions. Saute on medium-low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Fry the onions until they turn golden brown color. Add meat, mutton, half kilo. Give it a quick mix. Add salt and red chilli powder according to your taste. If you eat spicy, add more, less spicy, add less. Turmeric half teaspoon and mix it well. Now cover it with the lid and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. This is the water oozing out from the meat. Now add 1 cup of water. Give it a mix and close the pressure cooker. Cook for about 4 to 6 whistles. Switch off the stove and wait till all the pressure is gone. But don't get curious and start releasing the pressure by lifting the whistle. It is still getting cooked in that pressure, so don't do that. After all the pressure is released by itself, open the lid and check if the meat is cooked or not. If it's not cooked, then close the lid and pressure cook it for about 1 to 2 whistles. Add 1 tablespoon of dhania powder and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Give it a mix. Add raw mango which is peeled and diced. This is 1 medium-sized mango. Cook on medium-high heat. The mangoes get mushy and the gravy thickens. Now you can taste it and adjust according to your taste palette. Also adjust the consistency. If the gravy has thickened up so much, then you can add a little bit of water. If it's fine, then switch off the stove and serve it. Serve this curry with rice. By the way, this is my grandma's recipe and wherever she is now, she might be feeling proud of me. Yes. Okay, that's all for today. See you in my next video. Don't forget to check the description box below to write your comments. Thank you.